Creating segments in Planhat is really easy and it can do a lot for you throughout the application. You can do things like create a trigger for a specific segment, and you can use those with workflows, user activities, and much more. And you can also create health profiles based off of customer segments. You can filter your portfolio view by segments, create personas based on segments. So play around with the customer segments that you would like to create and figure out which ones might be useful for your team. To create a customer segment, you go into the portfolio view of Planhat and you'll see the tab called segments. You can see some segments that we have here as examples. We have things like bronze, gold, silver, US, enterprise. You can create segments that are useful to you and your team. These are just some examples that we give you. To edit a segment, you can simply click on it and it opens up the box where you can edit it. From this page, you can also get some quick insights, and you can do that by hovering over the pie charts that are next to the segment. And you can see that it gives you some information like how many customers are in that segment, what the share of your customers that is, and then also there's another pie chart next to it that gives you some quick revenue data about that segment. Adding a new segment is really easy. You simply select Add Segment and a dialog box pops up where you can edit it. You can give it a name, you can make it private, and then you can set the rules that you would like this segment to follow. So you have a lot of options here. You can do it by licenses, you can do it by certain dimensions, calculated metrics, you can even set a logic group. You can do a lot with these segments. Reach out to us if you need any inspiration or any help. We're happy to guide you on some of these things. You can also apply a universal filter based off of segments, like I mentioned earlier, and that'll filter your portfolio view by that segment. So say you want to focus on just one segment that day, you can certainly do that. Let us know if you have any questions, if you need any help, and that is how you segment customers in Planhat.